Study of topographical features from geological maps, identification of symbols in maps. So the aim of the experiment is to interpret and drawing of sections of geological maps showing the tilted beds, faults, folds and unconformities. So what are the apparatus required? We require geological map, scale, pencil, rubber, set square, protractor. So the following are to be drawn and interpreted in the geological map. So actually what we are doing, we are first drawing the geological cross section of the area, then types of the beds and thickness, then feasibility of rocks, type suitable for civil engineering structure. So with some basic terms we should understand. So what is a geological map? A map describes the distribution, nature and age relationships of the rock units and occurrence of the structural features. Fault, a fracture or a fault zone along which there has been a displacement. So of the sides relative to one another parallel to the fracture. That means a displacement of the block is called a fault. Fold means a bend in the rock, foliation, cleavage or a product of deformation, formation and deformation of the rocks. Unconformity means a break or gap in the geological record, such as interpretation of normal sequence of deposition of sedimentary rocks or break between the eroded metamorphic rocks and younger sedimentary. Outcrop means the part of the geological formation or structure that appears in the surface of the that is the exposure. Okay. So bed is the smallest lithostatic lithostratigraphic unit generally applied to sedimentary strata. Rock types igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. So this is the map what we are going to draw. And when you see here, these are the contour lines and these are the beds. So I will show you this in a little bit bigger form. You follow it. See, if you see the same thing what we are going to draw in this, here you can see these are the contour lines and these are the beds. Now you can see this color. Now if you see here, this is the contour of 500, this is the contour of 400, 300, 200. So if you imagine this in a 3D form, so this 500 is here, next 400 is here, 300 is here, 200 is here. That means the hill is like this, the hill is like this. So I am showing you in a 3D form which is coming in this way. So when you see this same in this view, so this is a hill, this is 500, 400, 300, 200. Now the hill is coming down the same way what I am showing like this. So this is the highest contour, lowest contour, lowest contour and lowest contour. So if you see here, now if you see this part, it is going like this. One more hill is like this. So one hill is here, one hill is here, one small hill is here. Okay? So this is somewhat bigger hill. Now if you see, these are the contours. The contours will not intersect. Contour is a thing which is having the same heights. Imaginary line of same height is called a contour. Okay? So 500, 400, 300. Now if you see this orange color and this green color. So this green color is indication of a bed. This orange color is indication of a bed. This is an indication of bed. That means this limestone is coming. For example, if I say the limestone, now 500 contour, 400 contour. So if I draw a line like this, now up to here this is limestone. So this is limestone. This is sandstone. And this is shale. Like this. For example, this is shale. This is sandstone. And this is limestone. So if you take this in a 3D view, how it will look? For example, I am showing same thing somewhat, just resembling here. So for example, if I show like this is the highest contour, 500, 400, 300. Now from here this is limestone, this is sandstone, this is shale like this. Okay? Yeah. So we are, this is the map. Okay, in this map, now I have already shown you, these are the contours and these are the beds. Now take a scale, okay, and this is the line. From here we have, this is X and this is Y. Now take one strip, take a strip here, one strip, keep the strip here at X and here at Y. Draw one line here, draw one line here, this is X, this is Y. Now if you see the map, in the map, these dotted lines, here you can see the dotted lines, as I have told you, contours. Small, for dotted line you put one small line, and for bed you put a long line. Small line, then again small line, here is also small line. So these are the contours. Now this is a bed, you put a long line, and this is a contour, put a small line, this is a contour, put a small line, this is a bed, put a long line, this is a contour, small line, contour, small line, bed you put a long line. The bed means the continuity of the line. Contour means the broken line, like this. Okay, contour, contour, bed, contour, contour, bed, contour, contour. Now these are small lines are the contours. For example, I am showing you for your clarity. These are contours, and these are, if you see here, now this is 500, there it will be written as, this is 400 and this is 300. Okay, so again this is also contour, 400, this is this is 500. Okay, 500, 500, again it is coming as 400, 300, 200, 200, again it is going up actually. This is around 300, 400, 500, 300, 400, 500. Now you got it? Now these are the contours. Now take this strip, put the strip here, okay, and draw one line like this, okay, draw one line like this, and one line like this, and one line like this. So actually you should draw like this. This is X and this is Y. So at Y you draw one line like this. Okay. Now same thing what you have drawn on this one. Same thing you copy it here. Big line, small line, small line, small line, small line, small line, big line, small line, small line, big line, small line, small line, small line, again big line, small line, small line, small line. Okay. Now same thing you copied. 5, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now take the scale. See, 1 centimeter on the paper equals to 100 meters on the ground. Okay. This is the scale actually given. So now take the scale. Now up to 5 centimeter, draw one line. From here, take the scale, you have drawn 5, so this is 500 contours, 500, so you keep it one dot here. Then again you are taking as 400, so 400, keep one dot here. Again you are taking as 300, so keep the 3 centimeters here, keep one dot here. Again you are drawing as 300, keep the dot like this. Same thing, again you are going for 400. Now you are going for 400, one dot here, then again 500. So this is fine. Now what you are drawing? You are drawing the cross section of the geological cross section. So you are seeing the hill at the side view. So when you are seeing the hill at the side view, how it looks, you are drawing. This is the geological cross section of the area. This is again 4. So sorry. This is 4. So keep it on the 4 and draw one dot here. Again keep it on the 3, one dot here. Again keep it on the 2, one dot here. Again 2, one dot here. Again on the 3, keep it one dot here. Again on the 4, keep it one dot here. Again on the 5, keep it one dot here. Now you understood? Now you on the dots is to be smoothly you have to smoothly join these dots. Now if you join it smoothly, no problem. Don't join very roughly, but join smoothly like this, because this is a hill what you are seeing in a side view. Now you see here, now you have drawn the cross section. This is the cross section. Now if you want, you make it somewhat darker for your convenience. Now you have drawn the cross section of the geological cross section. Now what you are seeing a hill, a valley, a hill. Now these are the beds. Now you have already drawn, these are the beds. Now take the scale. Now bed is the long line what you have drawn. Take this bed. Now from this draw one line here. So this to be joined like this. Only the beds, not the contours. Keep it in clear. Only the beds. This is also one bed. Okay. And this is also one bed. And this is also one bed. And this is also one bed. Now you have seen like this. Now only join the beds like this roughly. Now you have seen like this. Now take the scale. One line here, one line here, one line here. Next procedure. Again you are one bed is like this. Okay. Just roughly you can draw like this. Now one line, draw a line here, draw a line here. Okay. Now this is now if you see here, now at 150, so nearly about this, for example, you divide this into each centimeter like this. 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see here. Now this is around 200. This is actually around 200 you are cutting this line. So from 200 to from 200. Now you draw one line like this, just half. Okay. Draw one line just here. Okay. So from 100, this is 100. I told you this is 100. So exactly at 150, draw one line here. This is roughly what I am telling. Now again, what is in the question? So the question here is, describe the geological history of the area and feasibility of rock type for tunnel construction for another. See, take a paper, mark the. So what you are doing? Actually, they want to construct. This is north, south, east, west. They want to construct a tunnel at 200 meters. So now you take the scale, put a small tunnel here. You are actually drawing a tunnel here. Okay. Now put a tunnel here. No problem. So this is a tunnel. Now they want to construct a dam here. So they want to make the water to pass here. So what is the question? Draw a cross section on an XY. Describe the geological history of the area. So you have drawn a cross section along X and Y, and you have to describe this. Then a dam. This is not a dam is proposed outside the eastern border of the map. A horizontal diversion tunnel is planned at a diversion of water at an inward level of 200 meters. So this is 200 meters. So now what you are seeing, this is 200 meters. Okay. So this is roughly 200 meters. So you are making a tunnel at 200 meters. So you can see here, you have made a tunnel. This is a tunnel at 200 meters. Tunnel at 200 meters. Okay. Now what you are doing? this is limestone. Now if you see here in the map, when you see in the map, now if you see here, this bed is 500. From here to here, this is limestone. From here to here, this bed, this is shale, and here to here, this is sandstone. This is SST. Now if you draw here, so when you are drawing a map, I will show you here. Now you can see here. Now if you see here clearly, so this is from here to here, this is limestone. From here to here, this is shale. From here to here, this is limestone. From here to here, this is shale. From here to here, this is sandstone. From here to here, this is again shale. Okay? SH. From here to here, same thing. Is it true now? Now, for example, I told you this area is completely. This is limestone. This is shale, and this is sandstone, and this is understood? For limestone, you will be drawing like this. This is the map symbol what we give in the as your bricks in the symbol. So you will draw like that. And shale, you will draw like this. Just one lines because shale has the facility. Now this is sandstone. Sandstone, you will put it like this. So sandstone, we will put it like this. Okay, and for conglomerate, you will draw it like this. Now, a dam is proposed at the eastern side of and they want to construct a tunnel like this. Now this is clear. Now this you have to draw, and now what is the result? Now when you see the order of superposition, when you see the first bed is not formed here, the first bed is formed here. So from lower to the upper, okay, conglomerate, sandstone, shale and limestone. Now sandstone is the feasible rock for the construction of tunnel because sandstone is somewhat porous and permeable. Okay, so what is the result? What you are seeing? Okay, what you are seeing? The topographic features are interpreted. Rock type and other order of superposition is given. Okay, and feasibility of civil engineering structure is mentioned at the sandstone, which is a tunnel is passing at 200 meters, and in the given geological map, sandstone rock is possible for tunnel construction. Now you understood? Now if you draw, I will explain you in the I will explain you in the online class also. Don't worry. Okay? Then this is how you draw. You just see here. This is how it comes like this. Same thing what I have drawn you, it will comes like this. Got my point? Okay? In this way you have to draw So when you see here, so the answer will be like this. So when you see the sheet, it will be like this. So order of superimposition is limestone, shale, sandstone and conglomerate. Conglomerate is the oldest, limestone is the youngest. Okay?